Alright people, I'm back. I wanted to show you some cool snowdrifts that are in OP right now. I'm just going to dive in here. Can you see how high the snow is? How hard it is to walk in this? How crazy. Look. But I'm getting through. Okay, look. Oh, of course Doug's got to go over there and wreck it all. We were enjoying the beauty of it. Doug, how tall are you? About 5'2"? 5'2"? What, are you nuts? Oh my God. People, he's just wrecked it. It was beautiful. Still windy out here though. Still pretty deserted. Trains stuck on the tracks. Still no one around. Now the wind is fabulous. Looking up. My God. In a week, I'll be on a beach in Cabo. But for now, I'm in a whiteout situation. If I tap thrice on this phone, it means send help. And not that weirdo policeman from Forest Park that stalks me. Okay, looks like we've got more breaking news in Cairo today, people. We're competing for news. Back to you in the studio, Marianne.